Something to freaking scream like that. Damn. Sheesh. Okay.
Although my heart is falling too, I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body.
Seems to be running down.
I'm in love with the shape of you. Come on, be my baby. Come on. 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 Come on, be my baby. Come on, be my baby. Come on. I'm in love with the shape of you. Push and pull like a magnet. Although my heart is falling too, I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. Come on, be my baby. Come on, come on, I'm in love with your body. Come on, be my baby. Come on, come on, I'm in love with your body.
They take it down all day.
I'm in love with your body. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you.
Hi, this is Adele. What's up, Bay Area? It's Shawn Mendes.
More music, more variety.
Star 1013.
There's a fire starting in my heart. Reaching a fever pitch is bringing me at the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out and I'll lay your fish bare. See, I'll leave with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Baby, I have no story to be told, but I've heard one of you. I'm gonna make your head burn. Think of me in the depths of your despair. Make a home down there as mine sure won't be shared. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it
Oh, great. Gas pump's not working. Everybody's happy.
We could have had it all. We could have had it
Damn, everybody's at one. Damn. This is ridiculous. Everybody's at a gas pump. It's insane.
Carly, so your boyfriend does not like his birthday, which means what?
It's incredibly hard and a little stressful to plan something special for him. He just hates being center of attention, and he's really never been big on celebrating himself, but it drives me crazy because he's a great guy and he deserves to feel extra special on like the one day of the year that can be all about him. I just want to celebrate him being born, you know, and all that he does to add value to my life and the lives of everyone around him. My family wants to do a dinner and a get-together, but I have a big family. They're very loud, and they love birthdays, so it can be overwhelming, and the attention is just a lot for him to handle. So I was wondering if you guys have any ideas on how we can do a low-key celebration for him this year.
First of all, love you. Love you for saying all that nice stuff about your boyfriend. That's the kind of thing you want to know your girlfriend saying about you when you're not there, when you're not around. I think you celebrate the two of you and use that sentiment that you used with us about how you described him and the value he brings to your life and the ones around him, and create an intimate celebration with the two of you, like a romantic, intimate celebration with the two of you. And, you know, I know your family wants to celebrate, but that's not who he is, right? So he won't really enjoy that to the fullest.
Yeah, I absolutely love that idea. I think